And welcome to Craftmas. So it's December 1st and I have so much fun in store for you for the month of December. Last year I did this thing called Craftmas. I'd been wanting to do it for several years and I finally dove in and did it last year. And what it is I will be doing a video for you 6 days a week. So the only day I won't post is Sunday, but Monday through Saturday I will have a crafty video for you, and I call it Craftmas. And if you're familiar with the YouTube world, you know that there's lots of people who do vlogs, and there's this thing called Vlogmas where they film every day in the month of December. It's like from the end of Thanksgiving until Christmas Eve, and there's a video every day, and it's Christmassy and full of holiday fun, and I love them. And I follow a whole bunch during the Christmas, not a whole bunch, but a handful of people during the holiday season. And I always think it's so fun. I like doing it at the end of a busy day, catching up with some of my favorites. And so I'm doing Craftmas. If you are a crafter here on YouTube and you would like to follow along, please leave me a comment and I will leave your information every day in the description box. And you can do it any way you want. You could do one video a week of it, or you could do like I'm doing and do Monday through Saturday. You can really do whatever it is you want. I just love Christmas so much. I always have so many crafty, Christmassy things I'm doing, and I thought I would share. So sometimes I'll have a blog post and photos, and sometimes it'll just be a video. So we're kicking it off with a free PDF that I have for you. This is the Christmas countdown cards. You can see it is, it starts here at 1, goes to 25. You can cut these apart and use them in your memory keeping. I also have these in digital form, which is what I use, and I've done this the last couple years and I love it. I do a December daily album, so I have another thing of memory keeping that I do. So my pages for December, my Project Life album pages for December, I don't do my regular setup. So if some of you have been following me for my Project Life weekly series and you see me putting together my pages every month, you know that I do monthly memory keeping, and I have all of these really fun layouts and things that I do. I don't do this that way in December because I have a whole mini album. So instead, what I've been doing the last couple years is this countdown, and I have this both in the physical form. So if you just want to download this and print this and cut this out, you can, and then you can add it to page protectors. If you want to do it through the app, I also have the digital, or you have another way if you use the Project Life app or you use Photoshop. I also have the digital version. All of that will be linked on my website. So there will be a blog post for today, and all the information will be on that post. And then there is a link to the post in the YouTube description. So what I do is I do it in the app, and I use this layout. I usually do a little bit of journaling just to say what it is. And then for our Project Life album, I just have this really fun layout. And last year I added a little bit of white journaling on each thing. And these are just random things from the month. So this is a screenshot that I saw of this penguin. I think maybe I saw it on Pinterest, and it's all these penguins sliding down a staircase, and Kayla loves penguins, and so I sent it to her and she got a kick out of that, so I saved it. Here's a Christmas candle that was lit that I just had on there. This is a card that I made. This again was something I probably saw on Instagram, some hot cocoa and a cookie that I took a screenshot of and put it there. So then you can see just, you know, a snowy day. And then we just go through a poinsettia. I think one of the kids got sick. I was in the hospital one day, and it just goes for the countdown. And then that is what I put in my December, for my December project life. That is what I use. And then I have my December daily albums that I do. So that is, I have both of those. Those are linked on my website. So some of the fun things that we're going to do this month, I've already filmed a few things, and so I know some of the things we're gonna do. I did a tag kit, and that is coming up, and these were really fun and beautiful to do. And I put together a little Christmas basket that has cards and tags and tape, and it's something that I've done the last couple years. Or a bin, and it has tags and cards so that if I'm putting together gifts and different things, I have that. So I did that. I filmed that and put that together. We did the tags, and then we put together the bin, and that is a video coming up. I also purchased these. Kayla and I did a shopping trip, I think in October, and I purchased these cups, and I thought I would do something really fun with these on my channel for the month of December. I think what I will be doing is giving a gift to the ladies at the school once a week instead of just doing one big gift at the end of December. I think I'm gonna do some things throughout the month of December and do little gifts for them and take it into them. And I thought I could fill this up with candy and take a little hot cocoa thing in. I also thought I might use these for treats for my husband's work, where I might do some treats in the bottom of it and a hot cocoa thing on top, and that could be a fun gift. So I don't know, I just thought that these would be really fun. When I saw these, I thought they were so cute. So that will be something else we will be doing. I also got a few things here. I have this sign that I'm going to repurpose and redecorate. I got these wooden snowflakes that I'm going to do something with. So all month long, we're just going to have fun doing Christmas projects and hanging out. And there'll be some cards we'll be making, some Christmas cards. I'm sure I'll be doing some more tags. And just some fun things for the Christmas season. So I hope that you're excited about Craftmas. And tomorrow for day 2, you will see me putting together my kids' advent calendars. I did something really fun this year for them, and I filmed that. So I know I'm going to share that for day 2 for sure. So that's what you'll see tomorrow. So let me know if you're excited about the holiday season and if you're excited for Craftmas, and I will catch you in my next video tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for joining me for the first day of Craftmas. I hope that you enjoyed it. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that you can check out. Going forward, they will be Craftmas videos after today, where I have posted a few more. Please feel free to hit that like button. It helps YouTube to be nice to me, and I will catch you in my next video.